almost there. Get your asses to the bridge.
You heard the man.
I love how the camera pretends that I'm Isaac for like 10 seconds.
Yeah. Must like, hey, can I get like an actual suit, guys?
Recorded message playback.
Hey, look, I'm on patrol. Make this quick, all right?
It's his birthday.
Shit.
Is that Dad? Thanks for the present, Dad. When are you coming home?
Dad?
Soon.
Okay.
Yeah, you get to play. So I'm playing as the guy who's trying to get some pussy, and you're playing as the guy who
Idolizes
Well,
you.
you better get that idea
doesn't
out
have.
of his head. Got that? I gotta go. Love you.
Doesn't have what?
You're the dad looking for his kids. Who's probably
Oh my
dead
God,
or some
he's-
shit.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, I love that I'm the dad.
You're the
That makes
dad.
so much sense.
Yeah, you're
Of
the
course
dad.
I'm the dad.
And I'm the guy looking for his pussy. I'm just like, hello, yes. Where my grill? I need grill. Where grill? I'm the guy who's trying to recover from some really bad relationships.
Langford and her team attempted a blind shock.
Yeah, it's not your fault. You were for the crazy
She
one.
believes it pulled
I mean, dude, that's fucking that Isaac Sark's first girl is like relatively normal-ish, but like,
I
holy
blame-
fuck, dude, DS2, he like PTSDs the fuck out, and the marker latches onto his like memories of his like fiance, girlfriend, whatever, and like uses her to like fuck with him all the time, and it's fucking weird.
Dude, I need to play DS2.
It's a trip of a game, man, because you get to the point where you're like, okay, cool, I know what I'm doing, I know what's going on, but still, you're just like, holy fuck.
Standing by.
Is this real life or a fantasy
We're going in blind, so stay tight
caught
on
in
that
a
exit
landslide?
vector.
Yeah,
Rosen,
like,
cut it out.
it's fucking weird.
Locked, de-shocking in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hell is that?
That's no moon.
What's left of one?
Of course it is a moon.
Rosen!
I see it!
Christ, this place is a junkyard.
More like a graveyard.
Any sign of Ellie's ship?
I'm reading several transponders, but none of them are ours. According to the registry, they're sovereign colonies' warships.
You serious? They'd be over 200 years old.
Hey, I'm getting something. It's an SOS coming from that ship dead ahead. The CMS Roanoke.
It could be Ellie.
Yeah, let's hope so. All right, Rosen, close to 500 clicks.
Aye, sir.
Those lights, are they beacons?
Hang on. No. Mike!
Rosen, get us out of here!
Collision warning. Brace for impact.
I can't!
This game is very overdramatic.
Isaac! Carver, goddammit, give me a hand here!
I was imagining Isaac yelling, "Where's my suit?"
Grab some of that paneling and seal up that doorway.
Since when are you giving the orders?
So somebody else has a fucking plan. Look, I'll explain as I go. Carver, where can I find an EVA suit? Good, down that way.
Oh,
Yeah, I need to get one
I guess
of
I'll
yours.
just. Oh my god, man. I can't even concentrate because there's just so much explosions and shit. Is this game made by Michael Bay?
Yeah. This one kind of got shit on, honestly.
This one reminds me of Max Payne 3, where it's like Max Payne 1 and 2 are edgy boys, and then the third one is like, fucking, I'm on a beach. fighting the mafia, you know, like.
Yeah.
I love Max Payne 3 though. Never played it, but I like it. Wow, this suit looks surprisingly like my old suit. My iconic suit. Aw, it doesn't look sad.
The room's sealed! What now? I'm gonna try to free it from out here!
Are we playing Anthem? Is this Anthem?
Oh my god.
Okay, I can see the room.
Am I Iron Man?
Rosen, Locke, brace yourselves. Once I release the clamps, it's gonna blow us clear to your door.
The clamps.
Everyone find something to hang on to.
Oh yeah, speaking of clamps, did you know that Adult Swim? Okay, I can't fucking move in this shit. Did you know that Adult Swim is losing a bunch of their Fox properties?
Oof.
It says go down there. Why what the fuck? Where how did you get down there?
What do you mean?
I don't know where to go. Oh, I see.
Yeah, go to this thing and release activated. Oh shit! Holy
Every time they say whenever they say Ellie, it reminds me of Ellie from Borderlands.
I can't slow it down! Try to steer towards me! I can almost reach you! Whoa, mine!
What?
You are. I think you're chart.
I did. I
can't slow it down.
didn't.
Try to steer
I can't
towards me.
really see,
I can almost reach
so
you.
it's like.
Whoa, mine! Mine!
Oh my god.
I just got taken out.
This,
Yeah, dude, this is fucking Dead Space in a nutshell. Like you
what
just
we're doing right now?
I can't slow
yeah,
it down!
the whole
Try
like
to
trial
steer
and error
towards me.
bullshit.
I can almost reach you! Whoa, mine! Mine!
9. Oh my god, like it's not even. It's just that there's shaky cam and everything going on. I like have no clue.
Isaac, where are you? I'm coming! Just hang on!
That reminds me of my dog. When my dog disappears, you just scream his fucking name until he comes. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Hey, we both got memed on, Jesus. Yeah, this whole like, fucking Dead Space is like that sometimes, where they put these like big sequences at you, and you're just like, nigga, really?
I can almost
Dude,
reach
I
you!
don't even feel it. I don't even feel it. I don't
I got
I
fucking
don't remember-
clipped. What the fuck?
see. That's why I said we're probably gonna get stuck on. Not even get stuck on a part, but just like we're gonna get to a part that's gonna fucking suck.
Towards me. I can almost reach you! Whoa, mine! Mine!
At least give a checkpoint. That would be nice.
Isaac, where are you? I'm coming! Just hang on!
Like my character is memingly unimportant.
Hey, watch it! Watch it! I can't see around it! Then punch through it! Oh no! Oh no! I got it! Get it under control! I'm full thrusters!
Oh my fucking god.
It's slowing! Okay. Okay. There we go. Jesus. Let's not do that again. Can you make it to that
Look at that
cargo
dude
dock?
just hanging on.
Yeah, you think there's air on board?
Ellie's SOS is coming from somewhere inside, so let's hope so.
Oh my god, that made me sick to my stomach. Man, I wish the Iron Man game would become backwards compatible, but I think there's some legal issue with
Looks like the
that.
power's out everywhere. There's no way to activate the cargo doors.
I think there's a manual crank on the other door. See it?
Right. I'll see if I can get inside.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
What the fuck? Oh, there you go. You did it.
Oh my god. I don't even know how I